Hey guys, Armand here. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of our way bigger carry-on, a limited edition. This was a spring 2022 release. Again, they don't have this one anymore. They may bring it back, which I hope they do because they're really cool. It's again from Away Luggage. I think it's awaytravel.com. And when we saw this, we had to get it. So I just wanted to share with you. It's a cool piece of luggage for anyone that does travel a lot or travel at any. It's good to have good luggage. So we opted to get it. Away is known for their good products that they have. What do you call it? Lifetime warranty. That's their thing. So if anything goes wrong with it, you break a wheel, which is notorious for luggage, for rolling luggage especially. You break a wheel or damage a zipper, they will either repair it or they will replace it for life, which is pretty unheard of for most companies nowadays. A lot of companies have changed to 10-year warranties, 5-year warranties, but it is a pricey bag. But I think it's worth it for the lifetime warranty because, again, if you travel at any length of time, you will probably wear it out, and then you can just get it replaced if it breaks. But anyway, enjoy the unboxing, and thank you for watching. So we have our box here for. So we have our box. Our special edition Away bigger carry-on, and again this was a spring edition. We have, what is this actually? Let's find out. Ooh, fancy luggage tag. Nice fancy luggage tag here, really cool. And again, this is a special one. This will be a really quick video, just wanting to show off our new luggage. This is awesome. I love the color. I love this color so much. Or colors. So we have the front here. That's like orange here. And purplish lavender, I guess, on the other side. We didn't choose to get the portable charger on this side, but it's still really a good sturdy carry-on suitcase, and really awesome product. Why we chose this, and of course it has the lifetime warranty. So I'll open it up here. First time opening it up, because we will be traveling, which you'll see more videos of that in the future. As soon as I get to editing, any YouTuber can tell you that the trouble with YouTube is having to edit because it takes forever. But again, just a pretty simple inside, nice straps, some accessories in here, like the compartments. Documentation, nothing special there. They have the cleaning pad it's like a magic eraser, basically. This is a panel again, these can be adjusted. This goes to push this down here, so you can push down your clothes, stuff like that. But, yep, overall, I'm really happy with our luggage here, with the luggage tag here. It's, I think it's a great addition. I highly recommend Away suitcases because they're just very sturdy, very good quality. They are pricey, but if you travel any bit, you can't beat a lifetime warranty. If something breaks, you can get it fixed or replaced. So if you travel a lot, it's something that's like you don't want to keep buying luggage. But anyway, that's our quick video. Hope you guys like the color. They don't sell this one anymore, at least right now, as of October 2022. This was a spring release. They come up with new colors periodically. They had a teal one that I almost bought, but didn't end up getting it because we had this one. But again, this is a way bigger carry-on. This is slightly bigger than a standard carry-on, so you can get that added stuff down. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.